Do you usually create a numbered list in Excel like this? Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the next time you update your list with new items, then you need to write 6 and so on and so on. That's kind of unnecessary and time consuming, and I'll show you in this video a smarter way to do it. Excel launched a couple of new functions a couple of years ago, and one of the functions was called sequence. So the sequence function returns a sequence of numbers. In this case, we have 5 different rows with countries. So we could just select 5 and have a sequence of 5 numbers. But that's not very flexible, because when we update with new values here, for example Sweden, we want a 6 to automatically appear. So we need to change this number 5 to another function that will return the number of non-empty cells in the B column. And that function is called count A. So counts the number of cells in a range that are non-empty. And then we select our B column, and then we end the count A function, then we end the sequence function. If we press enter now, you will notice that we also have non-empty values in the title country, so we will have a sequence of 7 numbers. So what we need to do is that after the count A function, write -1. So now when we update with new values, the numbered list will automatically change. And here in the end of the function or before the function, you can add, if you want to, for example, have a dot, you would add the text, a dot, and have a number list with a dot after each number. Perhaps this could be useful when you create numbered lists in Excel.